Hi everyone, it's Dr. Phil Nguyen with Happy Clinic Denver. Today I want to talk about how to minimize your bruising. So the question comes up, how does a bruise happen and how often does it happen? Well, I would probably say maybe about 1 out of every 5 injection points would bruise in general. And a bruising happens because that needle pokes into a vein or an artery. And our face is full of veins and arteries. So here's a picture of all the veins and arteries of the face. The veins are in blue, the arteries are in red. So as you can imagine, it's pretty easy to hit any of those with a needle. So when you hit a vein or an artery with a needle, it's going to bleed. And it takes time for that to stop bleeding. So there are things that would make it bleed more, and those are the things we want to avoid. And so for today, we want to talk about the things that we can do to avoid that vein or artery bleeding more if we hit it. So the things that I talk to patients the most about are to avoid a few things. As you can see here, first of all, NSAIDs, anything like Advil, Motrin, Aleve. A lot of patients take all sorts of different NSAIDs for pain um, and they actually cause thinning of the blood so that you're more likely to bleed and more likely to bruise. So if at all, if you can, stop any of these NSAIDs for about 4 to 5 days before you come in. Even a baby aspirin can cause more bruising. So you can go right back on your medication after you get your Botox or filler injections. So, second of all, vitamins and fish oil are notorious for causing bruising. Even a multivitamin a day can cause bruising. I recommend that patients avoid all vitamins and supplements, especially fish oil. And last but not least, alcohol, especially red wine, can cause more bruising too. So avoid red wine for about 3 to 4 days before you come in to minimize the impact of bruising. Things that you can take to improve your ability to not bruise is pineapple juice. I recommend to patients a day or two before coming in, drinking 2 or 3 glasses of pineapple juice a day. The other thing is arnica tablets or arnica cream. Uh, before, and after the procedure works well too. So those are all the things that you can do to minimize bruising. This is Dr. Phil Nguyen with Happy Clinic Denver. Come in for your appointment and we'll get you looking great. Thanks a lot. Bye.